Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming what the system actually sees. Plug and power both outputs, then open sound settings so you can act on detected devices. Once open, make sure the headphone shows as a distinct device versus an aggregate output, and disable Bluetooth devices so they don't steal routing. This starts the fix. You're preventing automatic mixes and preparing to change default and exclusive mode options that often cause audio to play on speakers and headphones simultaneously. Next, route audio explicitly. Set the headphone as default communication or default device depending on your goal, and set speakers accordingly so streams don't duplicate. In device properties, turn off listen to this device and check exclusive mode settings. These control whether one app can monopolize the sound card. If you still see both outputs, update or roll back the audio driver. Driver mismatches and software mixers are common culprits that mirror output. This step fixes routing and resolves conflicts created by drivers or virtual audio devices. Finish by restarting the audio service or rebooting so your changes take effect. Once done, test with different apps, music player, browser, and a call app to confirm only the intended device plays sound. If one app still forces dual output, perform a clean boot to isolate the offending program and make sure no virtual audio cable or mixing app is installed. As a last resort, uninstall virtual audio drivers or create a new user profile to rule out per profile settings that keep mirroring audio.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.